Have you ever woken up after a full 8 hours of sleep, only to feel like you haven't rested at all? You drag your feet out of bed, your limbs feel heavy, and a thick fog clouds your brain before the day has even begun. You haven't lifted heavy weights, you haven't run a marathon, you haven't done any hard physical labor. By all accounts, your body should be bursting with energy. But it isn't. This is the ghost tiredness, a fatigue that coffee cannot fix. You are not lazy, your muscles aren't tired, your brain is. You are living through a modern psychological phenomenon known as dopamine debt. And the interest rates are destroying your life. Your brain evolved across 2 million years in a world of scarcity. To keep you alive, nature created dopamine, a chemical reward that forced your ancestors to hunt, forage, and build. It was designed to be rare. Rarity made it sacred. But today, pleasure is no longer earned, it is manufactured. Every short video you swipe past, every notification that flashes on your screen, every digital hit of validation is a synthetic spike of dopamine. Your phone is a casino that lives in your pocket. When you sit on your couch for 3 hours scrolling through reels, your brain is experiencing a high-speed chemical roller coaster. You feel like you're resting because your body isn't moving, but inside your skull, a brutal mining operation is taking place. Every cheap dopamine spike forces your brain to pull down its baseline sensitivity. To protect itself from overstimulation, it dials down your joy receptors. You took a loan of energy from your tomorrow, and now, the collection agency inside your head has come to collect. Because your brain's baseline is ruined, ordinary life begins to feel painfully boring. Reading a book feels impossible. Working on your goals feels like torture. Your mind becomes terrified of a single moment of quiet. This brings us to the ultimate modern paradox. You are exhausted all day, but the exact second you turn off the lights to sleep, your brain snaps wide awake. Why? Because the endless noise has finally stopped, and your brain is suffering from severe withdrawal. Has been overstimulated for 16 hours. It doesn't know how to exist in the dark. So, it panics. It floods your mind with random thoughts, anxiety, and an overwhelming urge to pick up the glowing rectangle one last time. You cannot fix a chemical debt with more consumption. You cannot cure mental fatigue by scrolling until you drop. The only way out of the dopamine debt is to pay it back through the currency of boredom and discipline. You must allow your brain to heal. Sit in a quiet room for 10 minutes without your phone. Let yourself feel bored. Let your baseline reset. It will feel uncomfortable at first, but that discomfort is the feeling of your strength returning. Your life is happening right now, in the physical world, not inside an algorithm engineered to make you weak. Put the phone down. Protect your mind. Take one step forward today. Subscribe to AxenCool, and let's clear your debt together. See you in the next reality check.